Blender has really amazing features and has evolved through the years a lot, but still, it's not perfect. In this video, I will showcase my top 3 free Blender add-ons. I won't be covering add-ons that already come with Blender, so not loop tools today, I'm sorry. So the third best free Blender add-on in my opinion is Buildings Generator Blender add-on. With this add-on, you can create awesome buildings from a wide catalog. Let me show you how to use it. First, we need to press N to get to the panel on the right, then press the PG and we can select which building and how many stories it has. Simple and effective. The second best free Blender add-on is Geo Cables, again in the right side panel, but now choose A Tools. Then press Create. Now you can press on any face to start the cable, then press another one and another and another. The controls are located on the bottom left. Realistic cables in seconds. But now a moment you've been waiting for. The best free Blender add-on is Blender Kit. With Blender Kit, you can import models, materials, scenes, HDRs, brushes, and even tools directly to Blender without ever leaving it. Everything you need is located here at the top. You can search and even filter the free ones to show up first. This add-on, it's just the best. You can't argue that. So these were some of my favorite free Blender add-ons, but I think we all know the real number one. I'll see you next time.